Welcome back, everybody, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ranch channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats. It's another Wavy Guru production down here at 79th Street. And this one's a little interesting. The skis have taken over today at 79th, which is not uncommon, but these guys are trying to get out, and they can't seem to get anybody to get out of the way. Curious how they're going to handle this one. I mean, the guys on the skis, I don't know if they're just ignoring them or they really just can't hear them, but they've asked a couple times now if they can get out. Oh, we're going anyway. We're going to push our way through. These guys look absolutely thrilled about this. Oh, God. Let's see how they make it out of here. I mean, there are skis everywhere. They're going to have to thread the needle a little bit. And we'll get one little push off, it looks like. My man's like, what are you doing, bro? Why are you touching the ski? And these guys, they're going to make it out of here. But they've been sitting there for a few minutes at the dock waiting for that window or that opportunity to try and go, and nobody was giving it to them. And finally, they just said, forget it. We're gonna force our way through. Good job, guys. Our cap here is coming in hot. I mean, he is not slowing down for anything. Here we go as he approaches the dock, and he's still running it. And finally, it looks like we're going to go into a little bit of neutral, slam back in reverse, and the little dock nudge. Oh, this guy's got to be a pro, though. I mean, he came in hot. He's picking this crew up. And let's see how long it takes him to get out of here, even. I bet these guys are under a minute from the second they touch the dock to being back out of here. And yeah, this isn't going to take long. They never even tied off. We're going to reverse, and we're back out the door. Picked up his friends. I mean, this is pretty slick. I mean, he came in hot, and he's going to leave hot. And we're just out of here, bro. This crew is using a lot of caution as they even just kind of came in the channel here at 79th. And now we're using extreme caution as we approach the dock. Barely above an idle speed. Well, not even. This might be below an idle speed. So at least we got some lines. I mean, we know how that goes down here in South Florida. Most of these guys hit the dock, and after we've already grabbed the dock, we realize, oh, we've got no lines out. But so they're one step ahead of the game. Let's see how this approach works out for them, though. Cap's going to keep us a little bit off the dock, and our lineman looks like he's ready to go. I don't believe he's leaping into action real fast by any means, though, or he's not going to be jumping off the boat. Oh, got a little love tap at the front. Oh, and we got some line action. What is he doing? Bro, I think you're going the wrong way with this. Oh! I don't know what he was trying to pull off there. Well, let's see how the second attempt goes. I mean, that first one was kind of Willy Wonka style. Oh, little throttle action. These guys are struggling. Oh, here we go. We've got the assist coming up. I just tossed the line. Oh, he just tosses a 100-foot of line at the dude. It's in the water. Cap's still banging off the dock and everything. Oh, at least we got somebody on land that's going to take control of the situation, though. Man, how much line did they give our guy? I mean, the lineman knows what he's doing, at least. I mean, he's got these guys pulled in pretty slick. Cap's still giving a little bit of instruction, though. But at this point, Cap, you know what, man? You let the lineman handle it. You guys can just relax. And they got this one in. Oh, look at that slick line move. Yeah, we got a real lineman on the dock. This has kind of been the story of the day down here at 79th. And just every single point of this, I'm watching the same thing where it's kind of a hurry up and wait day. People are just taking their sweet time on the dock. They're blocking other people in, kind of like we see here. Like this Hummer's trying to back their boat down, and this ski and his girlfriend are just kind of hanging out on the dock. And don't get me wrong when I say this. This was the ski's spot. He was there first. But why they didn't tie off further down the dock so this guy can launch his boat, I have no clue. And now he's just going to push the ski behind another truck that's trying to launch. Oh, and we're going to walk the girlfriend out. The docks are slick today. We've seen several people slip. Oh, look at this. She's just sliding down the dock. That's awesome. But if you guys ever wonder why we see the tires and things like that slip, it's the same reason we just watch that girl slide down. It's just the docks here at 79th can get slippery for sure. But now this guy's trying to back in, and we just moved the ski and the girlfriend to block where they're backing in. But really, that's just been the case all day long. We have just watched people block everybody else. This is wild. The skis are out in force here at 79th today. And I don't know if you guys knew this, but there's apparently a shortage of skis in the marketplace. I'm guessing they all somehow wound up in Miami. Wavy Boats even just went to go buy a ski, ran into the same issue. I actually had to go pick another one up for some stuff I got going on. And there was just no inventory, and dealers were not willing to negotiate at all. If anybody is shopping for a ski, however, though, I did run into one dealership, Redline Power Sports in Myrtle Beach. They were willing to negotiate. And they also told me they'd give you guys a discount too. This is not a paid promotion, but if you ask for Steve or Glenn, ask for the Broncos Guru discount, and you might be able to pick up a nice ski at a discounted rate. Now, I have seen several charter pickups down here at 79th, but this one looks like a fun one. I'm guessing this is a bachelorette party in the background, where you see on the rear dock pack there. I'm just guessing they're waiting for their charter pickup to come pick them up, and I'm willing to bet one captain's about to have a really good day. But this crew's just sitting here kind of big chilling, waiting for it to go. And I'm willing to bet anything this is our charter boat captain. I love this. Look at the side of this boat. You can tell it's a professional boat. It's got the battle wounds. And, I mean, this is a nice dual console. If anybody else is out there looking for the La Fish, that's a great brand to look for a dual console. Man, this sailfish has seen its better days. But I got a feeling, once again, this captain's the one who's here to pick up that bachelorette party that's sitting at the end of the dock. And this captain's probably about to have a fun time. We can tell this boat's had a fun time by the battle scars that are on it, that's for sure. Yep, that's it. He's going to pick that crew up. Our guy on the left here has been at this for quite a few minutes now. He's struggling. Oh, whoa, we got the slip. We've had a bunch of these today, man. Everybody's slipping. But this one's wild, guys. In the end clip, you're not gonna see this whole thing, but our guy has been at this for almost 15 minutes trying to back this trailer down the ramp. And even here, he's getting a little touch right here from his buddy saying, hey, you're right on the edge of hitting this ramp. And he's gonna have to pull this one back out. I mean, literally 15 minutes trying to back this trailer down. You figure at this point, somebody run up there and give him a hand. And the one that always drives me wild about these when you really think about it is he's got his two buddies sitting here on the dock watching him do this. Which means of the three, he is the best option to back this trailer down, and he's been at it for 15 minutes. Oh, he's still going the wrong way. Oh, we're getting it fixed a little bit. Gonna get it in this time? I mean, he's gonna get it his version, and I got a feeling. In other words, we aren't backing this trailer straight. It's just going in however it goes in, and we're gonna figure out a way to get this boat on. I mean, I guess this is one way of getting it done. As long as the boat goes on, I guess it doesn't really matter. And since nobody else is really trying to back down the ramp right now, it's not a big deal. So I guess this crew's gonna let it roll. Our cap's gonna get out of the truck. Let's see what happens here. Oh, just looking. Oh, yeah, the trailer's straight. It's in the water. We're good. Yep, we're going to let it roll. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, be sure to check out our other channels. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, where we do some great comedy boating videos over there as well. Another collaboration channel between the two of us called Boats vs. Haulover, where Man and Machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.